Welcome, travelers. Are you ready for an adventure of a lifetime? We're heading to two incredible destinations, Greenland and Denmark. These places are linked by history, but they offer completely different experiences. Imagine standing on a massive ice sheet in Greenland. Then, picture yourself strolling through a historic, colorful harbor in Denmark. This journey is a tale of two worlds. One is a raw, untamed wilderness. The other is a land of charming cities and fairy tale castles. It's the perfect combination of epic nature and rich culture. This trip will challenge you, inspire you, and leave you with stories you'll tell for years to come. It's a true test of your adventurous spirit. Think about the contrast. Greenland is the world's largest island, yet it has one of the smallest populations. It's a place where nature is in charge. Icebergs the size of skyscrapers drift silently by. The northern lights dance across the winter sky in a breathtaking display. It's a destination that feels like another planet. Then you have Denmark, a country known for its design, its happy people, and its deep history. It's a place of cozy streets, world-class restaurants, and royal palaces. You can feel the blend of old and new everywhere you go. It's a journey that will fill your senses and expand your horizons. This guide is your personal roadmap. It's designed to help you navigate this amazing journey. We'll cover the must-see sites and the must-do activities. We'll talk about what to pack, when to go, and how to get around. Think of me as your host, guiding you through each leg of the race. We'll explore the vast, icy landscapes of Greenland first. Then, we'll dive into the vibrant culture of Denmark. My goal is to give you all the information you need to travel with confidence. I want you to feel prepared and excited for what lies ahead. This isn't just a vacation, it's an expedition. So, get your passports ready. Start dreaming of glaciers and castles. This is more than just a trip, it's a challenge to see the world in a new way. It's about stepping out of your comfort zone and embracing the unknown. From the frozen frontiers of the Arctic to the charming streets of Copenhagen, this adventure has it all. The world is waiting for you. Are you ready to answer the call? Let's get started on planning your ultimate Nordic adventure. The race is on, and the prize is an unforgettable experience. Trust me, it will be a trip you will never forget. The world is waiting. Go and see it for yourself. Safe travels, and enjoy every moment of your amazing Nordic expedition.